Today we got a video from Police Insider, and the title of the video is "Man Refuses to Get Out of Stolen Car, Cops Pull Him Out."
Open the door! Open the door! Open the door!
Officers received a flock hit on this silver Nissan for stolen license plates, but the driver had no intention of stopping. Watch as he's about to take police on an insanely dangerous pursuit.
Regency by ZRO of the correct vehicle is a 30-year-old female.
We're going southbound on Boulevard. Slow speeds. It's not pulling over.
Weather conditions.
Still south on Boulevard, passing Jefferson. Traffic's light. Weather conditions good.
Received. We have a county alert. Your vehicle speed again?
Vehicle speed at 45. Just past the burning place, still south on Boulevard. Traffic's still light.
I don't know where you think he going.
Left onto A-Lift.
Boulevard passing Vernon.
Left onto A-Lift. Ran the stop sign of A-Lift in Florida. Speed's 40.
Speed's 40, traffic's light, weather's fine. Received, you're clear to come.
Stay off the air, stay off the air. It's at the dead end of Freezy.
Oh yeah, you're cooked.
Copy, crazy court. Suspect bailed from the vehicle. All units.
Oh, they ain't block him through? No way.
Still in pursuit. Right onto Central, going northbound.
Received, still in pursuit.
3, we're going northbound on Central. Just past Connecticut. Traffic's picking up. Right left on Traverse again.
That was a wild turn.
Driving recklessly through residential areas, the driver was putting numerous lives at risk. Officers had to act quickly, otherwise things could have gone south at any moment.
Alright, we're northbound on Rollway. Speed's approximately 50. Traffic's picking up. Still not stopping.
Received, northbound on Rollway, speed 50. Still clear to continue.
Right onto North Wickham.
All right. So here's the thing, right? This is like the point where the traffic stop, which was going to be a normal traffic stop, now turns into like a felony stop. Okay. When they do the felony stops, and I'm gonna explain why, right? So when someone takes off from a traffic stop, right? Whether that's them just keeping on going and not stopping at all, or if, you know, they actually pulled over and then the cop got out and they ended up taking off then, right? They're still fleeing, right? So when that happens, the vehicle, in the officer's eyes, the vehicle now becomes a deadly weapon. So that's why it goes from, you know, a regular traffic stop, and then it goes to like the felony stop. And this is when, you know, whenever they do catch up with him, pit maneuver him, whatever they do, they're gonna have their things out and ready to air his ass out. You know what I mean? And everything is just gonna be so much more heightened.
Receive onto Northwick.
Right onto Democracy Way, traffic's light, speed approximately 25.
Receive. Have some more units in that area, please. 302 on Whitman. 2 will be going out of any room momentarily. 312 in real.
3 coming up on Norwood, left onto Norwood.
Boy, they gonna get him together when they catch up with him, boy.
Looks like left onto Norwood might be turning on the rollway.
Southbound on Rollway.
2 lane lead. 2 approximately 55 miles per hour. Southbound rollway. Light traffic. Weather's still good. Going on solid. Receive clear, continue. Left on Summit Ford. Right on the rollway.
Man, somebody should just smack his ass. Bow. Oh, spikes or something.
400 to Joe if you want to keep calling it out. I'll keep leaving.
47 miles per hour. Coming up on Grove. Traffic light.
Imagine the kids that was in that school parking lot. They probably like, wow, what's going on?
The driver narrowly avoided 2 head-on collisions with the same officer leading the chase. As traffic continued to build, increasing the risk of a massive collision, a bold maneuver was needed immediately to bring the pursuit to an end.
With all them cars there like that, kind of. It's tough.
Traffic heavy, let's proceed. 22 miles per hour, heading north through the traffic circle towards East Broad. North towards East Broad.
This guy sucks at driving, man. They still on his tail. Them cops is on point. Good driving. Wow. He better play it real cool when they catch up to him, boy. They gonna be pissed. Yep. Oh, my boy karate kicked him. Oh, boy. Get your dumb ass out. They gonna get him together. Tune him up.
All right, get the lock. Get the lock. Pitch. It's a lock. Lock. Open. Get him out towards the pitch. No. You got him covered. This way. This way. Fucking cool.
Ha.
You got it. Hey, left and right. You got it. Cuff. Good job.
One on. Stand by.
Good job.
Stand by.
Hey, when you get him cuffed, get him up. Good job.
Hold on. Shirt, come on.
It's all right. Take your time.
Hold on. We got to go. Let's get this shirt on.
We're not going anywhere. Get that shirt out of there. Hey, can you guys start killing sirens?
Run. Get him up. Roll him over. Get him up. All right. Get him up. Recovery.
Sit him. You good there? Yeah. You're cut pretty good. All right.
Wow.
Multiple officers suffered deep lacerations on their arms due to the shattered glass from the window frame. The suspect, however, was relatively uninjured, but he was too shook to provide any answers.
Great, it'll be for the suspect, multiple lacerations. Also, Gil.
Is that on him?
And Gil.
Get an extra right. All right.
Boy, they got his ass together, didn't they? They got him together, boy. They said, get out of the car. Get out. Boom. Oh, smash the glass, man. Listen, if I gotta tell you 3 times, it's too late. I'm gonna say it 2 times. If I gotta tell you boom, smash the glass, man. Got them together. I wonder, does this guy got a warrant? What's the big deal here? Because, oh boy, this was bad. This was a long chase too. In the city like that, with all them cars, it's hard for you to do a pit maneuver like that. You can't even, because you got all the cars there. And then the cop almost smashed him into the try to pit maneuver him in the gas station. Imagine if they would have hit a pump. Oh boy. That would have been insane.
Tell him Weiss and Gil. Also, like those Officer Weiss and Sergeant Gil. I believe. I don't know.
You speak English? Boss, do you speak English?
English?
Yeah, he do. He know.
Anything you say will be held against you in court of law. You have to enter an attorney. If you can't afford one will be appointed to you. Do you understand? Do you understand your rights?
Yes.
Okay.
We cleaned up what? Yep.
Is that bad?
Yes.
You right? I don't think I need a tourniquet.
Actually not.
No, buddy, you need stitches.
All right.
You need stitches, but you don't need it.
Is that a bandage? Where'd you get those? Can I get some of them?
You? Tree?
Joe, can you rock, Gil? Gil needs
I'm bleeding
stitches.
too.
Joe, 4?
Yeah, go here.
I think it's the window glass really got us.
1, 2, 3, and him is 4, right?
Yes.
Got it.
Spread your feet for me, as wide as you can. Keep going. Now bend forward just a little bit. Nope, don't lean forward. Bend at your waist, like that. Good.
Yeah.
Scar in that tattoo, really?
Yeah, there we go.
Got it?
Yeah, they got me.
Yeah,
I'm good for now.
You're gonna need stitches.
All right.
They're here, so.
Like, Gil, you get checked out first.
Okay, I'm all right.
Look over.
Thanks.
You want us to sit him down right here? Yep, he's searched, he's all good. So.
Yeah, if you want to sit him down, you can sit him.
Yeah, sit down, man.
Have a seat.
Keep going.
What's your name? Alpha. Jason, where are we right now? Hotel Charlie 2.
Yeah, it's just.
After running the vehicle and so on and so forth.
Gil, you hear that? Stolen out of Philly. 3 copy.
You want to go to the hospital?
No. Yeah, but this bag's just full of shit. He's got 1,000 gift cards guaranteed.
Yeah, we can do that. Hey, Sarge. He's medically cleared, doesn't want to go to the hospital. I assume we're taking him.
Brands that send? Did they give us a reback on that Ben?
It's stolen out of Philly.
It is stolen.
Yeah.
Philadelphia?
Catch the ghost, secure him, and my card, 4-3.
It's out front?
Yeah, it's out front.
I'll show you where it is.
We're gonna take him.
We're gonna stand up, right? 3, 2, 1, go.
Medically cleared. We're going to be taxed within the 413.
Shoot here. Go ahead. You good? Seatbelt too tight or anything like that? Okay. All right, we'll get some ENTs to come over with some wipes or something, wipe your face down. All right. So just hang tight.
The 44-year-old male was charged with resisting arrest, eluding, aggravated assault on law enforcement officer, obstructing the administration of law, 2 counts of receiving stolen property, and criminal mischief. YouTube thinks you'll love the video.
This guy is an idiot. Like, this guy is such an idiot. You really thought you was gonna get away? He really thought he was gonna get away. Bruh, your driving skills, yeah, you might have, you know, the cop almost had to swerve once or twice or whatever, but for the most part, they was on your tail. They was on your bumper, man. Your driving skills is trash. If you trying to get away, your driving skills is trash, man. You should have just pulled over and gave it up. You're caught. It's a stolen car. You ain't getting away from him. Anyway, man, I think the cops did an outstanding job. Fantastic. Got them together. You know, and they got the stolen car back. I mean, got a busted window, you know, but still got it back though, you know. Anyway, I'm gonna get officers 5 out of 5. That was a long chase. I bet you their adrenaline was pumping, and that's how that thing go. Especially trying to keep everyone else safe on the road while you're driving with this maniac on the road. That's tough. So 5 out of 5 from me. Let me know in the comment section below how well you think the officers did, and I'm gonna catch you in the next video.